nanotechnology is finding increasing application in the design of manufacture of sanitary pads, offering potential improvements in absorbency, breathability, and antimicrobial properties. This advancement aim to enhance user comfort, hygiene, address environmental concern associated with the conventional pads. Now, here's a breakdown of how nanotechnology is being incorporated. Number 1 is enhanced absorbency. Electrospan nanofibers. Nanofibers, like those made from cellulose acetate, can be used in the absorbent core of the sanitary pads. These nanofibers have a high surface area and porosity, allowing them to absorb more liquid than traditional superabsorbent polymers or SAPs, and potentially eliminating the needs for them. Graphene oxide. Graphene oxide can significantly increase the absorption capacity of the sanitary pads, potentially absorption 5 times more than conventional pads.
Number 2. Improve breathability and leakage prevention. Graphene oxide. Breathable layers incorporating graphene oxide can prevent the buildup of heat and moisture, reducing the risk of fungal and bacterial infections. 360-degree wrapping technology. This technology, possible with graphene oxide, can provide leak-proof and edge-lock abilities.
Number 3. Antimicrobial properties. First is nanosilver. Nanosilver can be incorporated to provide antibacterial and odor-reducing properties. Second is nanocolorants. Electrochemically synthesized natural extract-based nanocolorants, example from neem and orange peel, can be incorporated to improve antibacterial ability. Third is pectinosan and chitinase-coated pads. This can offer long-lasting antimicrobial activity.
Number 4. Biodegradability nanofibers. Electrospan nanofibers, particularly those made from biodegradable materials, can contribute to more environmentally friendly pads. Biodegradable materials combining natural materials like bamboo, cotton, kenaf, and cornstarch-based bioplastics can create biodegradable absorbent cores.
Addressing health concerns. pH-responsive soft-coated pads. By controlling the pH of the absorbent material, these pads can improve user comfort and reduce itching. And it eliminates SAPs. Nanofiber can reduce or eliminate the need for conventional SAPs, which can be a source of environmental and potential health concerns.
Number 6. Other application. Far-infrared ray can be incorporated to promote blood circulation and potentially reduce menstrual pain. Negative ions may help increase oxygen volume in the air and kill anaerobic bacteria.